Hey guys, what's up? It's Joanne. Welcome back to another video on my channel. Few days ago, I had posted a poll asking you guys your favorite color, and the options were pink, blue, purple, and orange. So the most voted color was blue. So that's why I'm wearing blue today. Because the most voted color was blue, today I'm going to make only blue color crafts. Before we getting started, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to not miss a single video. And now let's just get started. For the first craft, we are going to make a birthday card. So take a white color paper and fold it in half. Next we are going to make candles. So take a dark blue and light blue brush pen or marker and draw 8 standing lines. Using a black pen, draw lines at the top of the candle to create strings. With the help of a yellow or orange marker, make flames of the candle. We made 8 candles, so write each letter of the word birthday on top of one candle. After writing happy, our birthday card will be ready. With the help of dark blue and light blue brush pens, I also added some details at the top of the card. For the second craft, we are making a butterfly, so cut out 2 circles and one circle should be slightly bigger than the other circle. The measurements I've used for the circles will be in the description box below. Fold both the circles in half twice. Next, glue both the circles together. You can also use a stapler in this process. After that, fold the 4 sides of the circles in such a way that it creates a circular structure. The butterfly is almost ready. Now the only thing we have to do is take 2 strips of paper and curl them and stick it on top of the butterfly to create the antennas. And our paper butterfly is ready. For the third craft, we are making a flower, so take a piece of paper like this and fold it in half. The measurement of the paper will be in the description below. Mark a ½ centimeter line on the edge of the paper, fold the paper in half and start cutting thin strips, but don't go beyond the ½ centimeter line. Now open the paper completely. Glue both the sides of the paper together. Take a wooden stick and roll the paper around the stick like this. You can use a paper clip to hold the paper in place. After some time, remove the paper clip and start sticking again. to cut the stick because it was too long. And the flower is almost ready, but I'm just gonna color the stick green. And the DIY flower is ready. And just like that, we come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. Before going, don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. And also give this video a big thumbs up. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.